Alright, hello, this is Jeff Serbinsky again, and I guess we'll mark this down as step number 3 at ZLab here. Um, so here's down in my basement. Just to see one rack here with the stuff, which for me is kind of on the odd side because I used to have lots and lots and lots of racks here in the past when I used to be a systems engineer with a lot of gear, and for the most part I've cleaned up most of this, gotten rid of pretty much all the lab gear. So we just have a few things just for operating the network here at our house. So there's just this one rack here, Cat 5 coming in from all over the house. Up there at the top's an MSM controller. Then it looks like, what do we have? We got a 3Com 4800G. We got an HP 3800. And then underneath that is my current firewall, which is an oldie but a goodie, and it'll be replaced probably pretty soon, which is a Polycom V2IU. It was a firewall I used to use when I was at Polycom, and worked pretty darn well. Still works pretty darn well. Probably need to upgrade it for better speeds, but whatever. And then we have a switch on the outside of the network, which is the HP 2520. I just use that as my outside connection. And then that goes over to charter modem here. So anyway, we're putting in the HP 5004 there. So pretty darn simple. Just for now, I'm just going to go plug in Ethernet here, get that up and running, and then I'm going to need to go find some power, which I've got draped around my neck at the moment. Here we go for power. So we'll head back here. Alright. So power in the rack, power into the back of the box, and we're up and running. Up from behind, you'll see one of the existing 460 APs that I have there. We'll be eventually converting that guy over, and to decide on how we're actually going to end up doing this, if I'm going to start a 1x1 conversion on the same VLAN, or if I'm going to temporarily create another VLAN and get this control up and running on a separate VLAN. I haven't decided yet. I certainly don't want to disrupt my running wireless, and I haven't thought too much about that. But I'm certainly just getting some first steps done here. So with that, we'll close out, and you'll go into step 4 here fairly shortly. Thanks much. Bye.